Good evening, everybody. And today we kind of got ambushed a little bit, to no one's fault in particular, except Mother Nature. When we showed up at our campsite, they were being evacuated due to wildfires. So we kind of scrammed out of there and headed back down towards Orr, Minnesota, and with the help of some folks at Norman's on Highway 53, we located this resort, Aspen Resort. We grabbed the site for 2 nights. We were originally supposed to stay up by Crane Lake, is where the fires are. And we're about 35 miles away on the other side of the highway. But they're fairly significant fires. This is the lodge over here. And the lake out there. There's a pool here. So we did end up paying a bit more than what we really wanted to, but God's provisions worked out, and we found ourselves a spot. Stuff around here is very difficult to come by right now because everybody's on vacation and spots are taken, and without the help of Deb down at Norm's, this would have been a very difficult evening. But tonight we're spending it here, and tomorrow we go to Voyagers, and then the next day we're going to take off, and we booked a park, Cascade River State Park, out on Lake Superior for 2 nights, and then head down to original place that we had booked already called Split Rock Lighthouse State Park, also on the Lake Superior. So with God's provisions, we kind of lucked out and found ourselves this place. We didn't really find it. Deb and her helper over at Norm's really did a nice job of supporting us and helping us find a place, because they know everybody around Orr, Minnesota, which is where we are. We're out in the sticks out here, and it's very nice. So just give you a little heads up when you do travel, like we are for extended period. You really need to be able to work very fluid, and not get flustered by change like this. So I headed back to the site. That's the bathhouse in the back. Just took a nice shower, went swimming this afternoon, and getting ready for a big day tomorrow at Voyagers National Park. And here we are, back at our site. Home sweet home for the next 2 nights. Talk soon.